Another tricky word, enrosque. Enrosque. Enrosque will be to starting with your torso, your feet get entangled. And I will do it one direction and then the other one. You are pivoting on both feet. And also you can see that one foot may pivot on the ball of the foot, here in this case my back foot, and the front foot more in the center. Because what we want to focus is our knees be together. Our knees should be together at the end. And always, the moment starts in your torso, you are leading your partner and finishing down into making your legs entangle like this. That's the enrosque. And same, this is an element we will do while leading the follower. The movement around the chair, that when we separate it from the chair, we call it molinete. So when we lead the follower, the molinete, she moves around us, and one option is this one, the other one is this one. Different elements that it's good to isolate and work them separately.